For today's agenda, we're going to discuss what is earthquake, cause of an earthquake, how the earthquake measure, things need to do before, during, and after earthquake, history of most high magnitude in Philippines.
My God, the ground is shaking!
Earthquake is a phenomenon characterized by the shaking of the ground caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust.
This energy release typically occurs due to the movement of tectonic plates, which are large pieces of the Earth's lithospheres that constantly shift and interact.
The shaking is caused by seismic pulses that propagate through the Earth from the point of origin, called the focus or hypocenter, and reach the Earth's surface at the epicenter.
Richter scale is used to measure the magnitude or strength of an earthquake. With the use of the Richter scale, we know how strong the magnitude of the earthquake that hit us.
Gago ko na ako. Bintana.
Practice the drop, cover, and hold on. Practice drills. Conduct drills with your family to the practice correct safety procedures. During an earthquake, do not run away. Falling objects represent a danger. If you are inside at your home, perform the drop, cover, and hold, and go to the near table and stay away from the window. If you are outside, stay away from buildings or any structures that might collapse. If you are driving, pull up your car and distance to any structures or things that might fall down. After an earthquake, there might be an aftershock. Listen to the radio for safety instructions.
Check for hazards. Look for damage to your home, such as gas and water leaks, and check for fire hazards.
Leave the building and don't use the elevator.
Check for injuries. Look for injuries on yourself and others, and administer first aid if necessary.
August 17, 1976, an magnitude 8.1 earthquake struck off the coast of Mindanao, generating a powerful tsunami and devastating coastal areas around the Moro Gulf. Luzon earthquake, July 16, 1990. This earthquake measured 7.8 in magnitude and caused widespread destruction in central and northern Luzon, with significant damage in Baguio City and Cabanatuan City. Kasiguran earthquake, August 2, 1968. A magnitude 7.3 earthquake shook Kasiguran, Aurora, leading to the tragic collapse of the Ruby Tower in Manila, and resulting in many casualties. Bohol earthquake, October 15, 2013. A magnitude 7.2 tremor caused centuries-old churches to crumble in Bohol and Cebu, leading to high number of deaths and injuries. Mayon volcano earthquake, December 2, 2023. A magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck just off Mindanao Island, causing strong shaking and launching a small tsunamis.